Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. As you can see in the post, this is introduce yourself. This is the most commonly asked question in every interview or in every formal sitting where you will have to introduce yourself. As the question is quite common, so the answer is quite simple. You just have to learn a few sentences, a few convincing sentences that may be impressive for the interviewer. ये आपका कोई इंडिविजुअल इंटरव्यू हो और you have to present yourself before the panel or you have to appear before 2 to 3 persons or audience or you have to like introduce yourself in your new class. आपको नई क्लास के अंदर खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना हो और if your personality is somehow religious or you are a Muslim girl or you wear stolar, hijab or veil, don't worry. Don't become shy. Don't feel. This is the time or this is the question that is simple, common, and very interesting. You should take it as a game or a challenge or you should love this question कि इस question में मैंने अपना आप present करना है और अपने आप का introduction ऐसे देना है कि it should be convincing and impressive. Sentences are quite simple. You just have to be confident to deliver these sentences. First of all, you will tell your name obviously. My name is John. My name is Jolly. I am Jugnu. I am Humaira. I am Umar or anything that is your name. I am or my name is. Then my father name is, जो भी आपका father name है वो आप लिखेंगे. Then I live in Somalia. I live in Bhutan. I live in Pakistan. I live in district Chakwal. I live in district Rawalpindi. My city is Lahore. Then I got my early education from my town school. I completed my early education from my town school. I was happy to get my education from my city school. और जो भी आपने अपने लाइक एरिया से एजुकेशन हासिल की हो तो आप स्कूल एजुकेशन में इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस ऐड कर सकते हैं. देन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड टू अ प्रेस्टिजियस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ college level. There I got or completed my intermediate, my graduation with distinction. There I learned so many other skills that brighten up my personality like book reading, sportsmanship or getting participates in public speaking. Then I was lucky enough to get admission in a university. There, to fulfill my dreams, I completed my degree with a distinction, getting a silver medal in the class. After that, I pursued my career in IT. I worked hard for my career in teaching. Then I went for CA. Then I opted the career that was to become a successful businessman और एनीथिंग जो भी आपका करियर हो उससे पीछे इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस लगा के आप अपना करियर जो है वो बताएंगे. एंड देन आई स्ट्रगल्ड हार्ड एंड गॉट trainings and internships to getting trained myself in that field. For teaching, you can say that I learned or I got trainings from a very prestigious institution that was British Council. I learned a lot there that helped me in making my personality, in making myself a successful teacher, a professional, qualified person in the field of IT. After that, if the interviewer or the chairman of the interview is interested to listen you more, you may ask that may I add something else in my hobbies or in my skills. If the person says yes, you may continue to tell about your hobbies, your skills, your interest, that I am interested in book reading, playing games or gardening or growing new plants or making videos and grafting and all these things. कुछ भी आप अपनी हॉबीज़ में लिख सकते हैं या बता सकते हैं. Then, to strengthen your viewpoint, you may say that I believe in teamwork, but the individual traits are also appealing to me. देन एज फार एज योर स्किल्स आर कंसर्न, जो भी फील्ड है आपकी और जो फील्ड आपने चूज़ की हुई है उसमें जो मेजर स्किल्स हैं, लाइक इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट अ टीचर, तो टीचर की स्किल है डिसिप्लिन मेंटेनेंस, स्टूडेंट लर्निंग आउटकम अगर उसे सक्सेसफुली अचीव हो रहे हैं, और स्टूडेंट का पैशन इंक्रीज करने में वो कामयाब हो रहा है, तो इट मीन्स कि शी और ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड टीचर. इन दिस वे आप दूसरी फील्ड से रिलेटेड अपनी स्किल्स को मैं कुछ ना कुछ ऐड करके नेक्स्ट पर्सन को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं.